Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys a tour of my boys' bedroom and what it looks like, how I have everything set up, some of their toy organization and how I store their clothes. And I'm also gonna take you along with me as I declutter and purge out their clothing before the school year starts again. And so I wanted to show you guys my process and how I do that. I'm planning on going through their nightstand and through their chest of drawers to just take out whatever doesn't fit them anymore and either throw it away if it's got holes or anything, and if it's still in good condition, I'll go ahead and donate that to Goodwill. That's what we usually do. So let's get started. This is the front of their door. When you first walk in, they have a couple of little signs hanging up there. Gas mask required. I just thought they were really cute. I got those at Hobby Lobby. Their rooms really don't stink, so it's just for fun. And this is my oldest son's bed, and he is into Star Wars, and he just loves like space and robots and engineering and stuff like that. He says he wants to be a robotics engineer when he grows up, so his side is all about space. And he's just got a few little stuffed animals that he likes to keep on his bed. And they're so funny because at night they actually line the whole bed with stuffed animals to like protect them at night. It's so funny. And this is their nightstand. I got this from IKEA, this little nightstand. And then the little Star Wars stickers I got from Home Depot for pretty inexpensive. So like I said, he's into Star Wars and he wanted to get those stickers to decorate his little IKEA nightstand. And this little lamp I got from Kirkland. So here's another angle of his bed. And I just like keep it really simple, nothing too complicated or cluttered or anything, and it works for them. And this is just their little window, and under the window I have like a little reading nook for them. It's their dresser drawer where they have all of their clothes, and they share a dresser drawer. So these first two are my oldest sons, and then the bottom two are my younger sons. And they have a little TV on top of there, and then they have their little Xbox. Above that, I just have some little IKEA picture frame. This picture I got from Hobby Lobby, and then the Spider-Man picture, my stepson actually painted that, and I put it in the boys' room. And then I just got some more of these little stickers, and they're actually little appliques specifically for the wall or for the door, so it doesn't damage like the furniture or the wall or anything. So that's on there. And this is my younger son's side of the room. He's all about dinosaurs, as you can see. He loves dinosaurs. This picture I got from Marshall's Home Goods. It's like a combination of Marshall's and Home Goods. And these three I got from Hobby Lobby. Over here they have their little toys all stored in there. And this storage unit I got from IKEA as well. This, if anybody's wondering, my mom gave this to my son. It's supposed to be like a saber-tooth fossil, and this is from Hobby Lobby. And above that they just have a little picture of their big sister and them two. And then I got this picture from Hobby Lobby, and this little melting clock was from Hobby Lobby as well. So this is the closet, and my younger son has the bottom rack right here, and then my older son hangs his clothes on the top rack. I got that little bookshelf from Walmart as well, and then the little cubbies I got from the little boxes I got from Walmart, and that's where they keep all of their books, puzzles, and like game boards and things like that. And my son is like really into the Captain Underpants books right now. And up here they just have boxes of crayons and markers. And then on this little shelf they just have some of their Pokemon cards and baseball cards, and in here they just have like their dress up stuff, like Star Wars costumes and masks that they like to play with. And they just have like a bunch of army men in there, soldiers in there, and this is their box. I got this box from the Container Store, and it's a pretty decent size box, and I was able to fit all of their Lego pieces in there. Up here, they just have some suitcases and just other little bags. And I already have their backpacks ready for the new school year. We already bought all their school supplies, so everything's just set to the side until the first day of school starts. And like I said, I need to go through all of their clothing and see what doesn't fit them anymore, what we can donate, or what needs to be thrown away. And I'm gonna do all of that today. So we're gonna go ahead and go through everything. So like in here, I have I put all of their like underwear and socks, and then in this bottom one is where I keep their like pajamas. And in the larger dresser drawer is just where I keep all of their shirts. And here is where I keep like their pants and shorts. And the same thing for my younger son, his shirts and his shorts. So we're gonna go through all of that today. So the nightstand, the dresser drawer, and then in the closet, and just purge everything that doesn't fit them or that's not good anymore. So we'll get started with that. And so basically I'm just gonna go through all of the shirts and just pull out the items that I know are too small for him and don't fit him anymore. So this is my oldest son's drawer. He is about to be 11 years old, so anything that's like size 8 or 7, I'll go ahead and either get rid of it, donate it, or I will pass it on to his little brother. Like the way that I organize it really is I'll put on one side, I'll put his play shirts that he can get dirty in, or if he wants to sleep in it, like it's okay, like he can wear that. And then his nicer shirts, I'll put him to the other side of the drawer. So this is like a school shirt, so I'll put it on the right side. So this is a shirt that he still wears for school. And I got some shirts from Target for him, and they were like really reasonably priced. I went ahead and bought him some of those, and that's what all these are right here. These are all his shirts from Target that I just bought him. And these are going to be his new school clothes. This is not that. So this can be this is another nice shirt for school. And so basically that's just what I'm going to do with all of the clothing. Just make sure to check it, see that it's still in good condition and that it's appropriate for him to wear for school. All these are good. I'll just go ahead and put those back. So if you guys are on a very tight budget, I would definitely recommend either Target or Walmart for school shirts, because they're really cute and very inexpensive. And so these are his jeans. They're still in good condition. I get rid of them once the knees are like all torn up. And we usually get his pants either from Children's Place or Kohl's, but I have been finding here lately that Children's Place jeans do not last them at all. But we got the Arizona company jeans. We got these because the fabric seemed to be very like sturdy, and for boys that's what we were looking for, was that sturdy fabric. It's not gonna rip too easy. And then these shorts he still wears. He just like lounges around in those, so I'll let him go ahead and keep those. And then I'll move on to my younger son's drawers. So I'll just do the same thing with his drawer. I'll just take out anything that is too small. So this is size 6-7, so this is kind of like fitting him snug already. So this one doesn't look like it has any holes in it, or it's like torn or stains really bad. I don't see anything like that, so I'll go ahead and put this in the donation pile. And again, there's like quite a few shirts in here that he doesn't even wear anymore, so this one's kind of getting too tight for him, so we'll go ahead and donate. And like I said, I'll do the same thing for his drawer. Any shirts that I see he could, you know, use to play with or get dirty with, I'll put to one side of the drawer. That way they know that the right side of the drawer is for, you know, play clothes, and the left side of the drawer are their, you know, nicer school clothes. Okay, so shirts are all done for both of them. And then now to the bottoms. So like these, like, I don't know, it has a little hole, but I think I'll go ahead and just get rid of them. These are still good. And again, they're the Arizona brand. So we're done with the chest of drawers. So now I'm in their closet, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use the same process like I did with the dresser drawer and just look for any sizes that are not fitting my older son. And this is my older son's side of the closet. He uses the taller rack because he's taller. And I'm just gonna go through and see if anything is too small for him. So this is size 10, 12, so he's good with that. So what I'll do is just go ahead and move his jackets towards the back because we're still in summertime, so he doesn't need those right now. So all these shirts, he can still use them for school, and they fit him really good. And this is the bottom rack, and this is where my younger son keeps his clothes. So we'll just go through again and see. Look, this jacket is from last winter, and it's pilling, and it just looks really like gross already. So we'll go ahead and put that in the throwaway pile. It's definitely going to be too small for him, so I'll go ahead. It's still in good condition. I love the colors, so we'll go ahead and donate this one. I think this is probably going to be too small for him, so we're going to go ahead and donate this one as well. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and move any jackets, winter items towards the back since we're still in summertime. So the closet's all done. I went through everything, got rid of whatever did not fit them anymore. So this is the donation pile. So I need to take this downstairs and put it in the garage, and hopefully tomorrow I can stop by and drop it off at the Goodwill. Thank you so much for watching, and I enjoyed spending this time with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye!